Or somebody just sent us like this slime.
No, and it just has a unicorn on the back.
Yeah, they sent us this slime stuff. I don't know why,
but our mom just said,
send us a letter.
Our mom just said like, they writing is kind of weird, but like
but we have to hurry up because we had to record this because our phone is about to go. So the letter says, "We are sending you this slime because you send us slime."
Oh, I think I know who this is.
Oh, this must be the hashtag sisters.
Yeah,
because we sent this slime before.
It's May, and
this is from May. So the flavors are hot cocoa, bubblegum, and peach. Okay. So they said peach is the hard one, so let's do peach first.
No, we don't know it's hard.
They told me that. Oh. They messaged me. They only told me that the peach one is the hard one. So let's start off with the peach. The peach one is that one.
We're going to break it, guys. I'm going to show you how it is.
See how hard it is?
I get that little bit. So this, guys, I'm gonna give this like a 5.
No, like I'm not giving this no 5. I'm giving this a 3. No, I'm giving this a 2 because I like the color, but I can't play with that. No.
So Pat, go to the next one.
Let's do hot chocolate next. Hot cocoa.
You can't either say anyway. Hot cocoa, hot chocolate. Okay. Oh, this one is
stretchy
and sticky. Guys, you
can I like sticky slime sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. I like fluffy too.
Yeah, but they said bubblegum, the slime bubblegum is the best one.
Yeah, they said it's the big package.
Yeah, they said it's in the big container.
Yeah, this is what we did. The reason why we got like soap bowls, because we like took it at the package and then we put it in random like little bowls.
Like little like containers. So we're gonna play with all of this. I'm gonna get it like a 9.
Hey, I'm gonna get this.
I'm gonna get this a 9 because it smell like it got scent to it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this a 9 because of the scent, but I'm gonna give it a 9 because of the scent.
I think I'm gonna give it
and because it's a little sticky. Yeah. Now let's do bubblegum.
So let's get to that.
Yes, bubblegum.
Guys, but guys, why they like this? We didn't do, but we just pick. God, we picked these two in a container, but we didn't pick this in a container. And this one says, "Do not touch." This is maize. Oh, what? Oh, okay. So maybe
somebody is messaging us right quick.
It says,
"Okay, y'all,
don't not touch this.
This is maize.
This is maize."
But that's the person that sent it to us. So why would she send it to us if she doesn't want us to touch
let's give her a few questions. May, we love how you send us some like packages, but why would you say don't touch? Because you send this to us.
Oh yeah, let me see. And it says the bubblegum. It says the bubblegum slime has little diamonds in it. Look like it's not that many.
I give this A+.
I give this a 10. 10 out of 10. 100. 1,000. It's stretchy. I just stretched it with her. It's stretchy.
And it's like a
diamond just fell out. It's stretchy.
Guys, she got gold diamonds, blue diamonds.
I know, y'all. Oh, our phone about to go dead. It's on 4%. Y'all may have to end this video.
So guys, thanks for watching. I really like this.
Comment, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
I have one thing
make sure you hit that bell.
And I have one thing to say. Man, we liked how you send us the slime, but I just don't like the package.
We have to hurry up and stop this video because we have to edit it.
Oh yeah, bye you guys. Thanks for watching.